Hi, this is Justin Singletary, owner of Fulfillment.com. I want to talk a little bit about RJ Palano. He started out, I met at Board of Advisors, and everybody at Board of Advisors couldn't have had enough great things to say about the man. I wanted to get to know him more, so I contacted RJ. Actually had some situations in my business where I needed some advice with. He actually jumped at the opportunity to help. No questions asked, wasn't looking for anything in return. RJ is a man with a big heart. He's always willing to help out in any way possible. I just want to say, anybody that's having a business dealing with RJ, feel comfortable that you are in the right hands. You're with somebody that actually truly cares about your end result. He always looks for a win-win scenario when it comes to either on the personal side or business side of the house. So really, if you're doing any transactions with RJ, I'm actually jealous, and I'm waiting for the day that our roads cross where I can do some sort of business transaction with him. There's not enough time today for me to say all the great things I'd like to say about RJ, but I want to say that RJ is a class act. He's a guy that I would trust him with my children. I would trust him with my girlfriend. I would trust him with immediate family members in any business dealings or any personal dealings. RJ actually, I had a situation, and RJ stepped up to the plate to help without any sort of kickback or anything that he wanted in return. He just wanted to help me out, and I really appreciate a guy like RJ being a part of BA in this group here. He adds a lot of value to everybody's life. So if RJ, you're watching this, thank you very much, and thanks for stepping up to the plate when I needed you. This is Justin signing off. Thanks.